In this video, I will show you step by step how you can transfer a Namecheap domain to Hostinger. Now, there is two things that we first of all need to do on our Namecheap account. So if we go to Namecheap, go to account in the top right hand corner, click on domain list. And here is where you'll now need to go to the domain that you want to transfer. For me, I will be using this one. You want to select manage. And now what we need to do is we need to click on sharing and transfer. From here, scroll down to the bottom of this page, and then you want to go to where it says domain lock. As you can see here, it does say off at the moment. If yours is locked, you need to turn off the lock, which will be an option for unlock right here. The second thing we need to do on Namecheap is to go to auth code, click on this button. What this will then do is it will ask you why you are transferring your domain out of Namecheap. You can select any of these, and then once you do that, you can then click on send code because we will need this at a later stage. So once we've done both of those steps, we need to now head over to Hostinger, and then you want to come over to the left hand side bar here, click on the domains drop down menu, and then you want to click on transfers. Now, once we select transfers, you just simply want to enter in the name of your custom domain. So how2online.org would be mine. And then you can then go ahead and then select transfer. Now, once we select transfer, as you can see, if everything is done correctly, it will say ready for transfer. Now, what we now need to do is click on the purchase option. From here, you now simply need to choose your preferred payment method and then pay for this right here. Now, once we have paid for everything, you will then be on this page. Now, what we need to do is we need to get our authorization code, and then you want to paste it into this box. Once we paste it into this box, you will then be able to choose your DNS settings for the transfer. You can keep the existing name servers, and your name servers will not change, and it won't differentiate from the name servers that you did have on Namecheap. And then once we are happy, you can then simply click on the transfer domain button in the bottom right hand corner, and that's how you can transfer your Namecheap domain to Hostinger. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.